there, future gold tycoons. If you're looking to secure your retirement with a shiny nest egg, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down how to buy physical gold for retirement like a pro. And don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special offer just for you. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's talk about why gold. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and security for centuries. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold is tangible. You can hold it, hide it, or even wear it if that's your thing. Step 1. Decide on the type of gold you want to buy. You've got options: gold coins, gold bars, and gold jewelry. Gold coins are popular for collectors and investors alike. American eagles, Canadian maple leafs, and South African Krugerrands are some of the most trusted ones. Gold bars, on the other hand, are great if you're looking to buy in bulk. They come in various sizes, from tiny 1-gram bars to hefty 1-kilogram bars. Jewelry? Well, if you're into making a fashion statement while investing, go for it. Step 2. Verify the purity. Gold's purity is measured in carats. Pure gold is 24 carats, but it's soft and can get damaged easily. Most investment-grade gold is 22 or 24 carats. Always check for the hallmark, which indicates the purity and authenticity of the gold. Step 3. Find a reputable dealer. This is crucial. Do your research, read reviews, and ask for recommendations. Online dealers like APMEX, JM Bullion, and Kitco are well-known and trusted. Make sure they offer secure shipping and insurance for your purchase. Step 4. Storage. Now that you've got your gold, you need a safe place to keep it. Home safes are an option, but make sure they're fireproof and bolted down. Alternatively, you can use a bank's safety deposit box or specialized storage services offered by gold dealers. And there you have it. Buying gold for retirement isn't as daunting as it sounds. Just remember to do your homework, buy from reputable sources, and store your gold securely. Before you go, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount on your first gold purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!